Ha ha ha. Hey, wrong. Damn, Daniel. Bro got seriously squeezed.
No! Coverson, don't do it! Yeah, don't do it, Coverson!
What?
Don't do it! I gotta do it! I gotta
Hey,
do it! Sing with
Coverson.
us! Sing for the year! Sing for the I'm,
That's not
I'm
even how
going
you're
after
gonna do
him!
it. Hey, that's not how you do it. Hey, yeah. He just jumped.
Hey, hey! Hey yo, rainbow people!
What?
What you doing down there?
We're just chilling, and we found out this guy messing with this thing that we don't know what it is. Yeah, we
I'm
don't
gonna
know
jump.
what it is.
Spring bond, green,
Wait.
orange, spy. I'm gonna
Wait.
jump.
What? Oh, wait. What? Are you gonna jump?
Yes, spring bond, get your camera. I'm gonna jump.
Okay. Where are you? Which building?
This one.
Oh,
Sing with us, sing for the year, sing for the laugh, right of the year. Bro, that was the slowest fall ever. Like, what was that about?
bro, you just broke your ankles. What's happening over
Bro, my
there?
toes.
Yeah, what's happening? Bro, what's
Your
up with this fine voice? I have no idea. What are you doing? You just
I am the spy. I am the spy.
pretend not to see you murdering this poor thing with your. Never mind. I'm gonna rock your jump. See you. Goodbye.
I am Uwu.
Bro, he looks so confused. Damn, what is
I
that
am
devious
destroying.
off face?
What devious off face?
Bo's trying to rizz me up.
Ah!
Sin City was a baby. Ding.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna rocket jump.
Okay. Oh,
Oh!
damn, Daniel.
No!
Well, you just broke Green's arms. My arms!
Oh, you want to see me break Green's arms? Ah! Oh wait, that's his leg. Oh, what have I done?
I don't know. What have you done?
Orange.
What?
I'm gonna steal your eye.
No! Don't steal my eye! I bought this off dark web at 3 a.m. Not clickbait gone wrong! Help me! He's stealing my eyes! Hey! Don't touch my nose! My eyes! Hey! Stop tearing me
Oh,
apart!
oh my god.
I don't think orange is okay.
Damn.
Yeah, me neither.
Station, we're gonna need air to strafe this area. Can you let him know?
Oh no, are you sending an artillery strike into this area? Oh frick. Oh frick.
As soon as it explodes, we should end the video. I'm gonna go over there. Hey guys, it's his eyes, a flushing monkey. Just to let you know, there's gonna be an artillery strike landing soon, and we're gonna die. So, yeah.
You should probably take his words for granted, not gonna lie. Words of wisdom.
So, I might as well, turn myself into a ragdoll now, so that way I don't die. And you should do the same, Spring Bond.
Oh, I think I hear it.
Uh-oh, it's coming! Guys, it's coming! Alright, so, as soon as it explodes, we're gonna end the video, so it makes it look like we died, but, not clickbait, so, yeah.
I don't see a bomb coming. I think you called the wrong strike. Yep, you called the wrong
Aw,
strike.
frick.
Well, you know what that
Bruh.
means.
Station, we're gonna need air to bomb this
Napalm.
position. Get Get them over
Napalm!
here quick!
Napalm!
Oh boy! Oh, Orange, what have they done to you?
I want to raise up your mother and her. Oh well,